Lighting is one of the basic production elements in television. Guys, I am sharing you my lesson on basic television lighting from my mass communication class before. You can use the lessons here for your vlogging. So stay until the end of the video and click that notification bell below after you subscribe to this channel. There's more in lighting aside from providing adequate illumination to achieve technically acceptable images. Lighting helps convey message of a picture as to space, time, and mood. Lighting fixtures come in portable sizes, or a studio setup, or a sophisticated newsroom lighting system. There are two types of light, directional and diffuse. Directional illuminates a small area, while diffuse illuminates a wide area. If there are two types of light, there are also two types of illumination, outdoor and indoor. Outdoor uses the natural light from the sun, while indoor uses lighting instruments. We may also consider color temperature in lighting. There are images that look reddish and bluish depending on the filters we use. We should also set the minimum light or the base light of an area so that our camera could see well. And that includes the type of a camera we are using and also the camera setting. There are techniques in lighting. The basic is the triangle lighting, which basically uses three kinds of lights according to its position and purpose. Our principal source of light is the K-light. This illuminates most of the subject. The backlight is at the opposite of the camera and behind the subject. The fill light is for reducing shadows that are created by the K-light and backlight. Usually, fill light use floodlight to diffuse shadows. Basically, the K-light reveals the basic shape of the object. The backlight separates the subject from the background or backdrop and reveals more about the shape and size of the object. The fill light is positioned at the opposite side of the key light to minimize the shadows. Take note of the transformation of the subject in this image. This is how the basic triangle lighting affects the image of a person. Take note of the shadow at the right side of the person as an effect of the key light at the left side. When backlight is applied, the subject's profile is more visible with its shoulder and hair being defined by the light. Also, this separates the subject from the background. If there are more than one person in the set, the same basic triangle lighting can be applied. You don't need to buy all the spotlights and floodlights in the TV studios. You can just improvise. Take for example, I can use a ring light as my principal source or my key light. And I can use the ceiling light behind me as my backlight. Take note, as you can see, my shoulders are already illuminated by the ceiling light, and also my hair here. There's also light. So the object is already defined and I'm already away or separated from my backdrop. Then I can also use the emergency lamp as my fill light to diffuse the shadow on my left side. As soon as I turn on the emergency lamp, the shadow here has been minimized. So with the advancement of technology in photography and in cell phone cameras, we only need a small amount of light. I hope this video helps. Subscribe to this channel. Daghang salamat. Ako si Jun Tariman. High Tech Tabay.